Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to split or to separate text into columns in Google Sheets. So we'll use an item on the menu, specifically the data option, right? You click on that and then we'll make use of split text to columns. And as you can see, when you click this, a menu comes up with various options, right? So you need to ensure that wherever your data is coming from or your text is coming from, it's already formatted and includes one of these separators. Okay, so I'll show you an example of the data or the text that we're going to use in the demonstration. So this is my text file, and you can see it's just a very short list. It's a list of countries and their capital cities. Okay, so I've already inserted my semicolon as the separator between country and its city. So I'll copy all of this, right? And then we'll head back to Google Sheets, and then what we want to do is to paste. So on the keyboard, Control V, right? But as you can see, all of this, right, the country and the city are all in one cell. So what we want to do, right, is to select a cell and then head back to the data menu, and then we go all the way down to split text to columns, right? And then from the list we select semicolon, and then Google does its magic. So yeah, that's how you do it in a nutshell. I hope this was useful. Please comment down below, let me know what you think of the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.